this morning, found myself craving some HongShaoRou, HongShaoRou, HongShaoRou. So warm and tender, so rich and fragrant, a classic Chinese braised pork. Clench your pork belly, sculpt into pieces. Oh, HongShaoRou, HongShaoRou, HongShaoRou. Now blanch one more time to nail the texture and let it rest until it's cold. Bright aromatics, the smell of heaven. Oh, HongShaoRou, HongShaoRou, HongShaoRou. Return the belly, cover with water, sugar and sauces, oh so fine. Bring to a simmer for 1 full hour. Oh, HongShaoRou, HongShaoRou, it takes time. Reduce the liquid until it's creamy, and say ni hao to HongShaoRou. So warm and tender, so rich and fragrant, a classic Chinese